All right, good progress for the day. As you can see, the Stabilator hinge, which is inside here, that is inserted and secured by clecos. It's all drilled up to the 1/8 inch size. So it's in place. There's a lot of preparation work to get this done. And that took most of the time. And then once everything was set up, it didn't really take that long to actually drill the holes. But anyway, it took a good part of the half the day. Good progress for the day. This part is the rotavator hinge, and you can see I haven't trimmed it up yet at all, but I will. So, more to come.